Hi everyone, my name is Fernando and I will be demonstrating how to access files in the Windows-based computer, which is protected by an administrator user account. For this process, it is assumed that the computer is physically accessible, that is, a person is in the same location as the computer. Windows operating systems, including server versions, do not encrypt the file system by default. This represents a vulnerability since important and private files are easily accessible to anyone. For this demo, I will be using a Linux version called Puppy, which will allow access to files in Windows computers. I have created a Windows Server virtual machine for testing purposes. This computer has a password-protected administrator account. Such password is unknown to the malicious user. This type of vulnerability is found very often in corporations where there are many workstations with easy access. Access is denied. Notice that I have access to restart the computer, and so I will in order to boot from Puppy. I will update the VM settings to simulate having a CD with Puppy inserted. I will restart the computer now and boot from the Linux CD. Notice that I have access to choose a boot device, as this is not protected by default either. Select the CIS5472 option. The required files for this OS are now loading. Once Puppy loads, it automatically mounts all drives found. Clicking a drive shows all the files without requesting a password. This is possible because files were not encrypted. User private documents are accessible. Even Windows system files are also corruptible. This process demonstrates the implications of the default settings in Microsoft Windows. The impact is much bigger in larger corporations where many workstations are set up in batches, leaving them up unprotected. To fix this, encrypting file system (EFS) feature needs to be set up so as to avoid access to users in the same physical location. This is the end of the video. I hope you all find it very helpful. Thank you.